In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a site in Webflow. If you're managing multiple projects or simply want to clean up your workspace, deleting an old or unused site can help you stay organized. Let's get started with this straightforward process. First, you'll want to navigate to your Webflow dashboard. This is the control center for all your Webflow projects, where you can clearly see your list of sites. It's important to ensure that you're logged into the correct workspace, especially if you're working as part of a team or agency where multiple projects might be visible. From here, you'll click on the Sites option. This will bring up a page displaying all the sites under your current workspace. You can spot the site you wish to remove from this list fairly easily. Once you've identified the site you want to delete, hover over its entry and look for a gear icon or the settings button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you into the settings for that particular site, where you can manage various aspects like domain settings, SEO configurations, and of course options for deleting or archiving the site. Now that you're in the site settings, look for the option labeled Archive. This might sound a bit counterintuitive if you're looking to completely delete a site, but this is an essential step. Archiving the site is essentially a soft delete, which temporarily removes it from active lists while allowing the option to restore it if needed. Proceed by clicking Archive. After archiving, navigate back to your list of sites, where you'll now find that the site has been moved to your archive. To finalize the process, you'll need to select the site again. You should see the status indicating that it's archived. You now have the opportunity to fully confirm the deletion. This is critical to prevent any accidental loss of your valuable work. Be sure you no longer need any of the content or backups before proceeding. The final step is to confirm by typing in the name of the site. This is a safeguard to ensure that sites aren't deleted by mistake. Once the name is typed in correctly, the Archive Site button will become active. Click on this to permanently archive the site. You will see a confirmation message saying that your site has been archived, meaning it's effectively been removed from normal view. And that's it, you've successfully archived a site in Webflow, which is the necessary step for a permanent deletion in this platform. Remember, always double check the site name and make sure you have backups if there is any chance you might need the content again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you manage your Webflow dashboard more efficiently.